In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create board on Pinterest Mobile. First, open the Pinterest app on your phone. Make sure you're signed in and that the app is up to date so the buttons and layouts look familiar to what you see here. From your home feed or your profile, look for the Create option. On many devices, this appears as a plus icon or a button labeled Create. Tap that to get started. When the Create menu opens, choose Board. This tells Pinterest you want a new place to organize ideas, not just a single pin. If you see options like pin or idea pin, ignore those for now and select board. You'll land on the screen where you name your board. Type a clear, specific name that makes the purpose easy to understand later. For example, instead of recipes, try quick weeknight recipes. Using descriptive words helps Pinterest recommend better pins and makes your board easier to find when you need it. Below the name, you'll see privacy and collaboration options. If you want to keep this board private, turn on the secret toggle. A secret board is only visible to you and anyone you invite. If you plan to collect ideas with friends or teammates, tap the option to invite collaborators. You can always add or remove collaborators later, and they'll be able to save pins to the same board. Once you're happy with the name and settings, tap Create Board. Pinterest will immediately offer a selection of images and videos that match your board's theme. This is a quick way to start filling your board so it isn't empty. Now choose the pins you want to add. Tap each image or video to select it. You can select more than one, and you can also use the search bar if you want something more specific. Don't worry about perfection right now. You can always reorganize or remove pins later. Pick a few that clearly represent your board's focus so it looks useful and cohesive at a glance. When you're done selecting, tap Done. That's it. Your board is created, populated with your chosen pins, and ready to use. You can find it anytime by going to your profile and opening the Boards tab. From inside the board, you can add more pins with the plus button, reorder items, create sections to group similar ideas, and edit the board's name, cover, or privacy settings whenever you need. Thanks for watching. Follow these same steps anytime you want to make a new board on Pinterest Mobile, and you'll keep your ideas organized and easy to find.